In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Amazon account. Before we get started, a quick heads up. Closing your Amazon account is permanent. That means you'll lose access to past orders, digital purchases, and many Amazon services linked to that account. So only continue if you're completely sure this is what you want to do. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to close. This is important, especially if you manage multiple accounts, so double check that you're logged into the correct one. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Instead of clicking it right away, hover your mouse over it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page. On the account page, you'll see a variety of sections and tiles that let you manage different parts of your account. Scroll down slowly toward the bottom of this page. Near the bottom, look for a section or box labeled Manage Your Data. Within this section, you'll see several links. One of those links will say Close your Amazon account. Click that link. The page will reload and you'll be taken to a detailed explanation of what happens when you close your account. Take your time here. Amazon will outline the consequences of closing, including what happens to your orders, any subscriptions, gift card balances, and access to digital content like Kindle books or apps. As you scroll down, you'll also see a list of products and services associated with your Amazon account, along with notes on what closing your account means for each one. This is your chance to make sure you're not losing anything you still need, such as active orders, returns, or remaining balances. If you do have pending issues, it's a good idea to resolve them before going further. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page. You'll see a clear message stating that account closure is a permanent action, along with a few additional notes. Below that, you'll have the option to choose a main reason for closing your account. This part is optional, but it can help Amazon understand why you're leaving. Next, you'll see a checkbox that says, Yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. Carefully read this statement, and if you're sure, check the box. Then click the Close My Account button. After you click the button, Amazon will send a confirmation message to the email address or phone number associated with your account. You'll need to follow the instructions in that message and reply within 5 days to verify your request. If you don't respond within that time frame, the closure request may be cancelled and you would have to start the process again. Once you've confirmed through email or text and Amazon processes your request, your account will be permanently closed and your data deleted according to their policies. And that's it. You've successfully completed the process of closing your Amazon account.